What if I told you that up to 70% of what you pay for fresh vegetables never reaches the farmer who grew them? It's not just an inefficiency, it's a broken system. I'm Leon, and together with Julia and Ren, we will AgriChain to fix this. Farmers work for months on their harvest only to take home less than a third of what it sells for in the city. Most lack access to the bigger markets. 70% has no access to credit, and up to 40% of produce spoils before being sold. This cycle of exploitation keeps millions of Filipino farmers in poverty.
That's why we built AgriChain PH, a direct, transparent, and fair farm-to-market ecosystem powered by blockchain. Here's how it works. Each farmer gets a digital farm identity tied to their land and produce. A smart contract marketplace ensures farmers are paid automatically and fairly. On-chain tracking via QR codes and sensors provides end-to-end visibility. And a decentralized credit score unlocks fair financing for farmers. Blockchain makes this possible. It's immutable, so records can't be faked. It provides transparency so buyers trust what they see. It's decentralized, removing middlemen. And with automation, payments are released fairly and instantly.
On our model, farmers are the priority, charging just 1 to 2% fee instead of the usual 30 to 50% loss to middlemen. Also earning from analytics, premium listings, and carbon credit. With projected growth, AgriChain PH expects 2.5 million peso net profit in year 1, 12 million peso in year 2, and over 30 million peso annually as we expand and add services. This low-fee, scalable approach is leading to high profit for farmers and a strong, sustainable growth for AgriChain PH.
Our platform is built on proven and scalable stack. On the front end, React powers both mobile and web. The backend runs on Node.js with PostgreSQL. At the core is Polygon blockchain connected to Web3.js, keeping transactions fast and affordable. And because trust is essential, we use SSL encryption, JWT authentication, and Open Zeppelin smart contract standards to secure every interaction.
Our target market strategy includes 2.5 million farmers and a $7.8 billion export sector, focusing on 5,000 institutional buyers and farmers reachable regionally, piloting with 500 farmers in Benguet and first 50 buyers, partnering with cooperatives, conduct targeted campaigns, attend trade shows, and offer referral incentives to ensure scaling and business traction. The roadmap will begin with a pilot deployment in Benguet within 6 months, scaling to 5,000 farmers in year 1, launching the AgriToken in year 2, and expanding regionally by year 3. To achieve this, we're raising 15 million peso allocated across 40% on technology, 25% on farmer onboarding, 20% on marketing, 10% on operations, and 5% on research and development. Our team combines agricultural insight, technical expertise, and business strategy. Together, we're building a solution that farmers can trust and investors can scale.
We are not just building a company, we are building a future where farmer prospers.
A future where our food is safer, more transparent, and sustainable.
Join us in sowing the seeds of trust. Let's cultivate a brighter future for Philippine agriculture.